Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we are going to solve this question. It says the nourishing Sertoli cells present. Option A in liver, option B in testis, option C in ovary, option D in pancreatic gland. So the question is the nourishing Sertoli cells are present in. So where are they present? So what are these nourishing Sertoli cells? So Sertoli cells are the type of cells which are present in the seminiferous tubules of the testis. These are present in seminiferous tubules of testis. Okay. Testis is a male reproductive part, right? So there these Sertoli cells are present. And these Sertoli cells actually involved in nourishing the entire tissue which is going to form the sperm. Okay, it is nourishing or it is involved in the nourishment of the sperms. Okay? Even the other cells like the oogonial cells and the cells which will give rise to the sperm, the spermatocytes, etc. They will all get nourished by the Sertoli cells. Okay? So these are, where are they present? They are present within the seminiferous tubules. So let us see. Option A says in liver. No, they are not present in the liver. Liver consists of the hepatocytes and not the Sertoli cells. And option B says testis. Yes, that is the correct answer according to our explanation. Sertoli cells are a part of, or we could say Sertoli cells are the one. Sertoli cells are the one which are present within the testis or the seminiferous tubules of the testis. Hence, option B should be the correct answer. Option C says ovary. No, these are not present in ovary because these are part of male reproductive system, and ovary is a part of female reproductive system. Hence, option C is no. Option D says pancreatic gland. Again, no. Pancreatic gland, it doesn't produce any of the nourishing component for the sake of the sperms. Okay, so they are totally different glands which are not included as a part of reproductive system. Hence, option B is no. So the correct answer will be, that is option B, that is testis. So let us conclude the answer. So what is the answer? The answer is option B, that is testis. That is the correct answer. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.